Murray and I have just been exploring caves. We're in a hong here at the southeastern side of Ko Phanak. You can see this beautiful jungle, little saltwater lake in the middle of the island. You can see the current coming in with the high tide. We better not be too long or we'll get pinned in here, but I'll just walk back. And you come in via this entrance. Fuck. You come in here through the beach, through that entrance. Look at all that. And more. That's what we've got to worry about. We've got to worry about the dinghy not getting back underneath the ledge. We'll try and go out the entrance. It's getting pretty close. We're getting close. Let me squeeze out here. Pretty close. Alright, so that's what you got to worry about coming into these hongs. Just getting trapped in there with the high tide. You'll be fine, you just won't get out, that's all. You'll have to sit in there for 6 hours and wait for the tide. But have a look. If you didn't know where this was, you'd have no hope of finding it. And then the water going in must be going in through another tunnel up here somewhere. And behind this beach, the island's collapsed in the middle, falls, I don't know what happens, but it obviously falls in on itself. And then inside you have a lagoon. So that's where we were before. We were sort of on the back of this, and there's a little lagoon. And the tunnel goes from here all the way back and through to there. It's pretty wild. So cool. So Spirit's just around the corner there, and the little hong that we just came out of with the cave is just in there behind this rock here. Beautiful beach. Muzz is having a swim.
Cruising along, doing a lazy 6.5 under head sail.